Palmist. Today, let's talk about palmistry, the fascinating art of reading palms to learn about our lives. Imagine looking at your hand, those lines on your palm can tell stories about you. In palmistry, a palmist looks at those lines to understand your past, present, and maybe even your future. Picture a palmist carefully looking at your hand, trying to understand what your lines mean. The palmist uses their knowledge to help you understand yourself better. You might feel curious as the palmist explains what they see in your hand. Through this conversation, you might learn something new about yourself. Let's hear how people talk about palmists. The palmist looked at my hand and told me interesting things about my life. People from many places have talked to palmists to learn about themselves. To sum it up, palmistry is about understanding the stories our hands tell, and palmists help us understand those stories better. Learning from a palmist can be an interesting way to learn more about yourself and your life's journey. Thanks for watching this video.